Hey guys, welcome, and I want to thank you for watching this video. My name is Adrian Zumbado. I am making this video not to entertain you, but to educate you and bring you some mind-blowing information. What I'm going to teach you right now is how to start a digital business, how to start your own business using your smartphone, how you can earn some potential income or some full-time income depending how quick you grasp this information, how quick you act on it, and how good your work ethic is. Now, with that being said, I don't want to waste nobody's time because everybody's time is very valuable. So what I'm going to make this video very short, very simple, get you the basic information so you can get started and as well as get straight to the point. Now, with that being said, just like any business, you need to have some skin in the game to make sure you're going to take this seriously. So the entry fee for the business that I'm going to show you guys is $30 plus $10 a month. Now, if you don't like the monthly situation, we also can do a yearly, which would be an entry fee of $120. Now, if you think $30 is too much to start a business, to have a program that's gonna provide you extra money, then you can cut this video off right now. Have yourself a great day, and I wish you the best, and I hope what you're doing works for you. Otherwise, if you're curious enough to know and see what I'm talking about, then please watch this video all the way to the end. Okay, so let's continue. Once you pay your $30 entry fee, you're going to download the Got Backup app into your phone and allow it to do its thing. Now, what this app does is going to back up all your files from your phone, or your pictures or your videos into a cloud storage. Got Backup is going to provide you with 6 terabytes of cloud storage. Now, the reason you want to have that is because you don't want to be using your phone's memory all the time. You keep it clean and your files are safely stored on the cloud. Also, in case you break your phone, lose your phone, or get your phone stolen, your files are safely stored in the cloud, okay? Now, you can also go on your web browser on your computer and log into your account, and you will see your phone's files there, as well as you can create folders. You can drag and drop files from your computer, so you can have them on your cloud storage as well, or you can download the app to your computers as well. We have them for Mac, we have Microsoft, and either ways, the backup does everything automatically. You just set it and go. Every so often, periodically, it'll keep backing your files to the cloud storage, okay? Now, with that being said, let's talk about how can you get paid. Okay, so there's many ways of getting paid, but I'm going to talk to you with the basic ones so you can understand. Number one thing is you can have a customer or you can have a reseller. And what I'm looking for you right now is for people that want to do reselling, okay? Now, if you bring a customer will only have to pay $10 a month for the service for the cloud storage, because really it's an unbeatable price. And if you check our competitors like iCloud or Google Drive or even Dropbox, which are the top biggest names that I can think of, they plan are either about the same price, but definitely don't give the same amount of storage that we provide. You can look this up yourself. Now, the way you get paid is somebody can enroll as a client for the cloud storage or as a reseller, like I'm talking to you guys. Once they do that, you're going to get paid $20 per enrollment, okay? $20 somebody signs up either as a client or as a reseller. Now, let's say they pay the yearly fee though. The yearly fee will pay you $50. Now, you guys do the math of how many people you could probably enroll and how much money you potentially can make. Now, the company pays weekly every Friday, so it depends how much you make during the week. You'll get paid Friday, depending on how many people you enroll or how many clients you bring into the company. Now, that's not where it stops. Also, let's say you start bringing more enrollments for people that, just like yourself, want to make some extra money, because nowadays a lot of people are looking ways to make some extra income, correctly? So if you find more people that are interested in making some money, some extra income, and they start enrolling other people as well for the same purpose, then guess what? As the team grows, as the organization grows, as the volume of sales and clients grow, you're going to get paid as well, because the company structure of the business is if you get paid, the company gets paid. And if the people that you come in and bring in get paid, then you get paid. You understand me? So it's a very beautiful structure that's going to help everybody, because it leverages your work and your ethics, where it's not all on you to make the money all the time. You will have a team, an organization that can also help you blow and grow this business even bigger. So it's really how far, how deep you want to go with it, and how much you think you can potentially earn. Now that you got the basic information on what it is, how much it costs and how much it pays, let me tell you guys something. There shouldn't be any excuse or why you shouldn't do this. Now, I'm gonna tell you right now, if people say, I just don't have the money, correct? I can see some people be a little hesitant over $120 for a yearly fee, but everybody can afford $30. Everybody can afford $10 a month to maintain this business, especially when you get a service like cloud storage along with it, okay? So there shouldn't be an excuse of why you shouldn't do this. Besides that, once you enroll 2 people, you're already in profit, because if it costs you $30 to enroll, you're getting 40 by 2 people. Now, of course, you're not gonna stop at only enrolling 2 people. You wanna enroll more people, and you wanna show those people how to do it as well, so then you can start earning more money. So essentially, the service will become free. Are you with me, guys? So the excuse of not having any money should not be one excuse that you should use yourself for not doing this business. Another one is, well, I don't have the time to do this business. Well, here's the thing about this business that I love. Everybody's always looking for a way to make some extra money, correct? Everybody's always either thinking they have to get another job, a part-time job, do another job to earn some more money. With this job, your job, it's a business that's going to liberate your time and freedom. Because as a strategy, if you're smart enough, you will use this same video you can use by sharing it with somebody, and I'm going to give them the same information that I'm providing to you on this video. So you don't even have to speak. That means that a person that's mute, a person that can't even talk, can still do this business, because all you have to do is share a video like mine, which provides all the information, and then you just contact the person and sign them up. It's that simple. If you can share a link, if you can send somebody a link, you can do this business. It doesn't take that long to do that. So if your excuse is money, it shouldn't be an excuse. $30 is nothing. If your excuse is money and time, then time should not be another excuse, because I just showed you how simple this is, how quickly you can do this. The whole purpose of me making this video is so they don't have to keep explaining things over and over again to people, and people can just watch this simply and understand. Very simple. Now, I do have more videos with more detail and deeper into the business, but I wanted to keep it short, simple, and basic so you can get started and cut all the excuses. And if you guys are smart enough and you see the whole vision of this business, get started right now, guys. Now, if somebody shared this link with you, somebody shared this video with you, please get back with them and get started. Now, if I share this video with you, please go to my website, smartphonemoney.biz, and you can get started. As well as, I am open for any conversation. I'm open for any questions, anything you guys got to ask me. Please don't hesitate to do so. Now, like I said, made this video very short. I hope you guys got it, and please take action today.